I got a package. Let's see what it is. So I have a Serape on the front of my bike right now, and I don't feel like it really goes with how I want my bike to look. And I also wouldn't mind a little bit of assistance on the road with the wind. So I saw this up for sale at a pretty good price. So I bought it. Looks to be in decent-ish shape, but it came with all this mounting hardware. So I should have everything I need. It looks like it was taken off a bike at a Harley dealership, like they didn't want it. But that is much larger than I thought it would be. I think that'll be pretty nice for wind deflection. Let's see how it looks on the bike though. Here you go, here's the fork attachments. Honestly, I just need something to hide my terrible wiring job, and this will do the trick. Let's get it on the bike. Let's wash the bike first. I'll speed you through that though, and then we'll get this guy on. We got her washed, kind of. Good enough. It's gonna get dirty quick. But let's try the fairing. Rough mock-up of that new fairing. Wonder if it'll sit any higher. You can see my crappy electricals there. But it looks like it ought to work. Let's take these off and get the new ones on. Okay, gonna put the new mounts on. Then we're gonna mount that fairing up here. Looks pretty good, I think. Let's get it fastened up. Pair of these Vans grips as well. Gonna replace those. Already got this one, I think mostly on the throttle tube. I'm not sure if it's supposed to go over that last little part or not. I guess we'll find out. But I was lucky enough to get this throttle tube with the bars that I bought, because it came with the original grips on there, because these ones have an internal throttle tube. So I'm not gonna be able to use those. So let's get these new ones on. Alright, we got the other side on. Had to file down the throttle tube a little bit. I don't know if it's just not meant for these controls or what. But filed the throttle tube down, now it twists alright. So for this one, just need to take off the grip and slide on the new one straight onto the bar. Alright, we return with hairspray. We will get it on. Okay, we've got the new fairing on. Got the new grips on. Looking pretty good in my opinion. I didn't know if I was gonna like it. Didn't know if I was gonna like it, but I think it balances things out a little better than my little tiny serape I had on the front. I like it. So we are going to go down to Harley. It's not too far away. See if we can get up to speed on the freeway and test out the fairing here. I'll check back in with you on the highway. Alright, now we're up to speed. My chest feels pretty deflected. It's coming right about, there it is. No wind, wind. Smacking the camera a bit, but that's better than on my visor. The last sports shield I tried really buffeted my visor pretty terribly. Getting hit in the throat with the wind, I can deal. So let's go to Harley. Of course, my battery died when I got here, but got the parts I need from Harley here. Of course, I parked next to the other 2003 anniversary edition, but this is a Dyna. I like the black on black for the Dynas, or the anniversary editions. They came in a lot of different colors. Of course, mine is the silver on black. Got my new grips, got the fairing, digging it. About time to get some gas, call it a day, head on home. I picked up some parts for the next video I'm going to be making. It's going to be a how-to. We're going to bleed the brakes. They're a little squishy. See if we can firm them up with the little bleed. But I'm going to show how to, no, that might be why. Got fluid leaking out. Awesome. I'm going to show how to drain the line and also put new fluid and bleed it. Just in case you are putting on some new lines, it'll cover that too. Or if you just want to do the bleed to firm up your brakes, if you think something's wrong with them, it'll cover that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, you guys ride safe, and I'm out.